Welcome. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to change your language on Bitget, right? So begin by opening up the Bitget Exchange app. So tap on it, and once you're in here on your dashboard, just go ahead and go to the top left, tap on the profile icon. And then once you're in here, go ahead and go to the top right and just tap on the gear icon or the settings icon. Tap on it. And in here, as you can see, the first option is language. So what you got to do is just tap on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, you can now go ahead and browse through the languages available right here. But unfortunately, you don't have the search bar, so you'll have to browse through the list, okay? So you can see here we have English, Asia, Chinese right here, Russian, Espanol, Italiano, Portuguese, Filipino, Vietnamese, and some other options, okay? So just basically select one option, for example, Filipino right here. And then once that's done, as you can see here, as fast as that, it is now changed to Filipino. Okay. And that's basically it. That's how you change the language here on the Bitget Exchange app. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.